Hello friends, today with an origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a square piece of your favorite color, then fold into two halves, then fold the bottom to the crease, then the other one. Again fold it from the top and the bottom. While creases and marks have appeared, now do it in the opposite direction in the same steps again. You may stop the video to catch up. Okay, now you have small creases all over your paper. Now you have to fold a triangle from the other side. Great. Now press it down. Now you have a small triangle with a big triangle. Open it. Do this step a bit carefully. You may stop the video to catch up. Okay. Done. Watch out the step. The corners. Now we have done making a rough structure of the ears of dragon, as we are making a dragon ring. The face is also done. Adding some details to our dragon face. Turn back, fold it into a ring. Now let's close it. Into the space, and voila, our ring is ready.